To give you an idea of how close we are to the edge, that's our crab pot, and right back there is my tent. This right here is loose moving ice. You can see it, it's actually drifting right there. Other than the ice breaking underneath me and drifting off to sea, my only other real concern is polar bears. Normally the polar bears don't come around Nome until the ice breaks up. And that usually doesn't happen until April. But, you know, the ice is breaking up. So, you know, I'm sure there won't be any polar bears. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Let's see how we're doing in here. I'm gonna borrow some of this foam from John. Give me something to sit on. This right here is a titanium wood stove. It weighs about 1.5 pounds.